Anything else that you're doing in the near future? Because they want to know. Balita ko may CD kang ginagawa mo.
Yes!
What's it about?
Start na ako, Star Music. And it's all, once again, for the first time in a long, long time, we changed it at the last minute. I was gonna do covers again kasi lakas nung Isn't It Romantic. That was a diamond record then, the first one. But the new one we're doing is all original, all new, all OPM.
Sino mga nagsulat?
Iba-iba. Ray Valera has given me one.
Wow.
But Noy Volante has given me one. The others I'm working with for the first time. And it's being produced by Jonathan Manalo, of course, of Star Music. So it's very exciting for me. Because maraming fresh na kanta. Ang ganda ng movement ng choices ng songs. And then, I'm shooting, you told me to talk about, I do stuff for my own YouTube channel, which is the Sharon Cuneta channel, No Space. Very, very raw, very organic, very natural. You'll be there because we took some shots kanina. Then my Instagram, I finally opened an Instagram account, I think last month. Really Sharon Cuneta. Kasi daw meron mga the real, ganyan. Ako
yes.
Really, it's really me. Really Sharon Cuneta. Yeah, No Space. And then, of course, my Facebook account, Sharon Cuneta Official. It's verified, so it's easy. And Twitter, I'm so on social media now because by God's grace, I don't anymore get affected when there's something negative, and they're always out, grossly, vastly outnumbered by the positive. So I have this shield, I don't get hurt. I just believe kindly, yeah, because I figured I'm here to please the people that love me. No? So my Twitter is open again. It's Sharon_Cuneta12. So I hope that they all follow us. Yeah. And your podcast, I'm always extra there.
Oh, yan.
Pala, meron pa. I'm shooting finally a movie. They will announce na the leading man. Meron na. So,
hindi pa ngayon.
Kahapon lang. Hindi ko pa
okay.
pwede announce it. It has to come from Star.
Pamiyala lang.
Yeah, I think they met finally. Tita Malu Santos had a meeting with the leading man. And we are going to start shooting in January. And if things go well, it will be showing in May of next year. Then I will be doing a show. They announced it na. Your face sounds familiar, kids. I'm taping just before Christmas. Cute, no? Right after that, another one that I cannot announce yet. Pero right after, walang break na mahaba. So ang problema namin ngayon, saan na yung US tour papasok? Doon tayo eh, di ba? And what we're gonna do is, I actually very quickly just mentioned it to Raymond sa Soler. Kasi yung nag-pictorial kami for the poster, sabi ko, Raymond, let's do a book na kasi I'm 50 na. So, if we do, it might be like it's really for people who would care to have a copy of not just the story of my life, which I intend to write with good friends. I mean, to write myself because I love to write. But really, a book of many pictures. Maybe if we go on a US tour or ganyan, I hope that Raymond will be free. And then some will be taken, I'm sure, by Anna Dastig, who does good pictures. And by me, my family, my friends. Very simple, very real. Pero we hope to come up with that. Parang a coffee table book for ever and ever. Parang ano. And some ano lang, pwedeng life story, pwedeng snippets ng buhay ko, nice kwentos lang, essays. I think that's cute. And then some, siguro I'll have books on advice also. People say, can you advise? Kunyari sa Facebook, diba, people write these advices about money, how to handle money. So I can do that, the mistakes I made, or what not to do, what I learned, whatever that I learned from my dad. Or cooking also. I'm not a chef like my sister here, but I'm a cook. I like to eat kasi, so may katakawan has its benefits. Yeah. Pero talagang favorite ko pag nasa bahay ako ng Juday. Talagang at Talagang any minute, biglang gagawa siya ng isang buong Thai meal.
Totoo yan.
Hindi mo alam bakit, from beginning to end. Kaya si Ryan, mabuti hindi ako ang asawa, hindi ko siya kaya, sis. Araw-araw yung breakfast ni Ryan, kala mo in-order sa kay Gordon Ramsay, gano'n. Diyos ko. Yan. So those are the things I'll be doing soon. Hindi masyadong busy. One day a week lang ang off ko. Hindi pa pwedeng Sunday. Kaya Saturday na kami magsisimba. Hindi. Hindi ako bored. Afraid ako. So, and then after that, I'll do an indie movie. So, and a big movie.
Mag-upad na siya sa indie.
And then a big, hindi pa nga eh.
Hindi ka nakikinig.
Si Bula.
Hindi movie ang gagawin ni Sharon. Hindi.
Indie.
Oo.
Ang pamilyang hindi lumuluha. May pagka-fantasy something. Ay, nakita niyo ba yung kusina ni sis?
Wait!
Hindi ko pa napanood yun eh.
Tama ba pagkakarinig ko? Ang pamilyang hindi lumuluha?
Oh.
Ay! Ang ironic naman yan from Crying Ladies, ha? So
Ang dami mo niluha doon.
Yes! Binuo ni Sharon Cuneta.
Yun. And then there's gonna be one big movie that will unbelievably star people you would never imagine would be together in one project. So that's being discussed now. It's not with a major studio, It's a new, But all of us are involved.
Kasama ka doon, Raymond. Sa movie na yon.
Only girl ako.
So leading man ka kasi ka-crush mo siya eh. Pinipilit ko doon.
Bakit?
Anyway, thank you guys for coming. You've heard what's up for Miss Sharon Cuneta.